Charlie, he's a friend of mine. He goes fishing all the time, and we've been together a time or two.
That's a fine-looking little crappie.
Charlie's got a mighty fine life. When I asked him for some sage advice, he said, what my dad told me, I'll tell you. You wanna catch a big one, son, you gotta keep it on the line. You wanna catch a limit, you're gonna have to spend some time. Feed a man a bass, and you fed him for one night. But teach him how to cast, you got a drinking buddy for the rest of your life. But Charlie, he's a family man, but he goes fishing all he can. He goes fishing every afternoon.
Children, take your father's fishing.
Charlie's got a mighty fine wife. When I asked him why there never seemed to be much strife, he said, what my dad told me, I'll tell you. You wanna find a good one, son, you gotta read between the lines. You wanna find a keeper, you're gonna have to spend some time. It's catch and release if she don't like your pastime. But if she's got her own boat and trailer, then you know it's hitching time.
Hi, I'm Charlie Pack. Welcome to Fishing Country. This is Michael Johnson, double Olympic gold medalist.
Look at the size of this
my
fish.
goodness. Yeah. No, that's not funny. No.
Charlie, he's getting on, but he'll be fishing till he's gone. He'll be fishing till his days are through. I asked him how he thought it might be when we're fishing with the man from Galilee. He said, what my dad told me, I'll tell you. You wanna meet the big man, son, you gotta learn to toe the line. You wanna meet his right hand, you gotta believe in your mind. You wanna get to heaven, you need some souls in your trot line. Teach a man to troll, you never know, someday it may save his soul. Charlie, he's a fishing man. A bumper sticker on the back of his van says, I'd rather be fishing. How about you? I'd rather be fishing. I know that's true.